so you can see where the deck actually is. You can see the daylight and the slats, but look at all that snow. Spring is not coming early this year.
I think I might have too many seeds. Some of these are a little old. I think this is even empty. It's empty. Okay. There's one that was packed for 2011. Winter squash. And it's empty. Okay. You actually can grow all sorts of things in Alaska. Mostly, the most popular are really like potatoes, carrots. Here where I live in Fairbanks, zucchini. We also love sunflowers. Oh, and cabbage is a major one too. And broccoli. Is that empty as well? Yeah. We also grow excellent tomatoes and snow peas. I like to grow radishes in my garden. So we do have some Alaskan seeds. I have zone 1 grown here in Denali. Where I live, we only have, I would say, solidly 3 months, which is be June, July, and August, where there's extremely unlikely to be any frost. So like end of May and like beginning of September can sometimes be a little bit iffy. Sometimes it's really nice and sunny and warm, and other times it's cold. So with other seed companies, I like to see roughly, yeah, like 60 to 70 days. It's about roughly 3 months.